Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reboot your Amazon Kindle 11 Touch. And to do this we have a few different options, and in some dire situation, let's say your Kindle is not responsive, then you might need to press the power button right here and hold it for a few seconds. It should power off and then simply power it back on with the same procedure. And if your device is responsive but you still want to reboot it, then you can go through the settings by selecting three dots in the top right corner of the screen, then device options, and then you'll find restart your Kindle. Click on OK, and now it will reboot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.